Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another episode of Trapping T-Shirts with your boy Big Crooked. You know our motto over here: you ain't gotta sell dope, you just gotta sell dope shit. Hey, today we're gonna be getting into larger prints from a small format printer. We're gonna be using the EPSON EcoTank 2760. But before we get into this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on what kind of videos y'all want to see next. If y'all got some general comments, let me know too. So let's open up GIMP and let's get this going. We already have our design uploaded, just a little Future Hendrix designs. I know it says she belongs to the streets, but for this design we're saying she's for the streets. First things we're going to do is go up to page setup and make sure our page is set up correct in the right orientation. Then we're going to go down to print. When we get over to print, we're going to go over the preferences and we're going to check a few things. We're going to make sure the document size is right, the orientation, the paper type. We want to make sure quality is on high, on color, and then multi-page. This is where we're going to get into making our design bigger. You see these settings down here? This is how you change that. But you have to make sure you have it on the right one for the right orientation. And I'll show you what it looks like when you pick the wrong one. But let's go over here and make sure that everything's right. Alright, everything looks good. We're going to hit OK, but we're not going to print yet. We're just going to click print. Alright, you see how that's your page? That's not going to get you a bigger print because we have it in the wrong orientation on multi-page actually. Since we have the orientation in landscape, we need to go back over to multi-page and change it from 2 up to 2 up poster. Alright, and it'll give you 2 pages side by side. You can make it bigger. That'll give you 4 pages, 9 pages, and so on. It just depends on how big you want to make it. So we're going to go here and make sure high speed is clicked off and mirror is on. Then we're going to click OK, and then we're going to click print, and we're going to get this thing printed out, and we're going to show you how to put it together. When you get your dialog box up, just go over there and click print. But you see right here, those are 2 different pages. So one page is going to print half and the other page is going to print the other half. So after the printer, this is what we have right here: 2 sides to make your image big. You're going to want to trim the edge off one side and then overlap it. That'll give you a bigger image. And to do that, I'm going to show you. See, this is the image, the side that you want to cut off. Not on both images, just one side. And then you want to take it and overlap it as best as you can to make it look like an original design. So you see, like this right here. So in order to do that, you're going to want to take the side that still has the tab on it and put tape across the outer edge so you can tape the other piece down. You cannot tape it from the front. You have to tape it from the back. You see how I have my image taped right now? Now it's one image and you can't see that line. You need to make sure that that overlap is taped down real good. I use my squeegee little tool to press it down once I get the tape on there to smooth it in. And now you see how you can't really tell that there's a line there? Now to get ready, you're going to need your ruler, your butcher paper, some Teflon tape, a Teflon sheet, excuse me, your lint roller, and some material. This right here is polyester fabric. I just use this for test prints so I don't mess my t-shirts up when I want to know how something's going to look. You can go to your local fabric shop and get that. You need to heat press. We're going to use it 400 for 60 seconds. And we're going to get this thing going. Let's get it up under the press. Alright, we have it under the press. We got our butcher paper on it. I don't know if I mentioned this, but it's adhesive spray. You can use this in place of the tape. It's not sublimation spray. It's only to use in place of the tape. You only need to spray a little bit down and it'll hold your image in place. So we press this at 400 for 60 seconds. And let's see what we got here. Let's get a little closer look up under here and see what we got. That thing looking good. Future Hendrix. Alright, you know we got to flip this thing around and look at it the right way. Get it up off this press so we can really see it. Let's go and do that. Alright. She for the streets. I know he says she belongs to the streets. But I had already made the design, so I wasn't going back to change it. But yeah, there it is, larger print. From a small format printer. We printed this with the EPSON EcoTank 2760. Alright gang, that's been another episode of Trapping T-Shirts with your boy Big Crookie. I hope you learned something. Hey, don't forget to beat the cheeks off the notification bell so you can see when we upload something else. Cause all we're gonna do is keep on dropping shit. You know what I'm talking about? Alright gang, until next time. Trap something.